Hey guys, Jean Davis here. I want to just share some thoughts with you really quick. I just had a conversation with a friend of mine who was talking about business and was telling people not to get caught up in the trap of you have a certain title, a certain position, you get in a ring or things of that nature. But when you look at your bank account, you have absolutely zero income, or you're making very little because you're caught up in a title, a position, or a ring, or some new things. Like Shaka Zulu said when they was asking him, you're letting these foreigners come in and take over in your country, and you see what's going on, Shaka, where's your mindset? And he said, I'm like a monkey looking for a new shiny thing. And that's what some people get caught up in, the shiny things. They get caught up with trying to be like the Joneses. They get caught up with competing instead of creating. Don't be that person. Don't be that person. Guys, listen. We have a solution for you. We want to make sure we help you win in the skin that you're in. We want to make sure that your business thrives. We want to make sure that you're exactly where you want to be. We want to make sure you look at your profit and loss statement and you're able to say, you know what? This is how much money I came in. This is how much I invested into my business. And look at the growth. Look at the growth, guys. The proof is in the printout. It's not about the fluff and puff. It's not about trying to go out here and impress people. It's not about, you just, getting caught up in somebody else's life. It's about you living an abundant life. It's about you having the time freedom and the money freedom to be able to do whatever you want to do. Like I always say, so you can do anything that you want to do. And I'm so excited when I was having this conversation with my girlfriend. I was telling her, I said, it came from an idea and the things that I've been through that I wanted to be able to help other people. That's the reason why we created this Wealth Creators Inner Circle and Mastermind Coaching Program, where people can log into a back office and they can get training on taxes, finance, wealth creation, debt eradication, investing, credit repair, things of that nature. Yes, I have a degree in business, but it ain't got nothing to do with that. It's got to do with the years of experience that I've had in business over the last 17 years and the knowledge that I have attained and the experience I have attained from working with multi-millionaires. Guys, I'm so very grateful for that. And then, of course, we just launched our Supercharge Your Business and Increase Your Profit bootcamp that we're having in January, coming up really soon, guys. So listen, I'm going to drop a couple of links. And I want you to go check it out. And I don't care if you're looking to make an extra $500 a month, an extra $1,000, maybe you want to make an extra $10,000 or more. What we have, guys, the sky is the limit. Maybe you want to get education about taxes. I'm an ex-IRS auditor. Maybe you've been audited. You don't know what to do. Maybe you don't know your rights as a taxpayer. I'm going to drop a link that's going to allow you to get educated. Guys, I want you to really think about 2019, where you want to be. Be honest with yourself. Forget what's going on to the left, what's going on to the right. Look at what's going on with you. Where do you want to be financially? Where do you want to be mentally, spiritually, emotionally, physically? Relationship-wise, where do you want to be? Focus on these things. Don't get caught up on what you see on the ground. Don't get caught up with what you see on Facebook or other places. People can fake really good, guys. What you got to do is get caught up about your life. What does it look like? Where do you want to be? Honestly, I remember years ago, I said to myself, God, if I was faking it, I would get with someone who can absolutely show me what I need to do to have the type of wealth that I desire, that can absolutely help me to have time freedom, help me to have money freedom. Guys, I found the best mentors and I just copied exactly what they said. I became teachable and coachable. And by God's grace, I have time freedom, I have money freedom, and I'm building a legacy for my family. I don't say that to impress you, but I do say it to impress upon you that it's time for you to have, do anything. You just got to believe in yourself. You got to trust the process. But everybody need a mentor, man. Everybody need a mentor. Everybody need a coach. Everybody needs somebody that has already been there, that can show you the game plan to help you to get there too. Guys, Christmas is over. I'm just here reflecting in my living room. And I'm just like, God, I just want to be able to help so many people because God has blessed me to meet so many incredible people. And so many people have helped me along the way to gain knowledge, and now to be able to build an empire from our home and to travel and meet so many amazing people like yourself, people who are hungry for success, people who have failed but refuse to give up. People who say, you know what, Gene, I just want something that can really help me to win, man. I'm willing to do the work. The go-getters, the hustlers, the moms, the dads, the students, the business owners, that serial entrepreneur, whoever you are. I want you to know that you can have, you can be, you can do anything. And if there's anything I can do to help you guys, I am here to help you. Look at the info below. Click on the links below. Get the information you need. And I'm going to drop my number down there too, because 2019 is going to be totally different than 2018. It all comes down to a decision. What will you choose? I'm Gene Davis. I'm your wealth creator, and you're a wealth creator too. I look forward to seeing you at the next boot camp. I look forward to seeing you a part of our wealth creator group, and I look forward to shaking your hand. God bless you. Take care, and Happy New Year.